Hi, I'm Kathy from Kiki's. I've got another Expo update. These are our 2 Serger classes, and I'm updating you on these Serger classes because these are almost sold out. So if you want to take a Serger class and be guided by a national instructor, Pam Mashi, she teaches for Baby Lock. She's developed their Serger program for all the retailers all across the country. She is amazing. So this is a really big, beautiful tote with a big pocket on the inside. You learn Serger techniques, and it's super useful because this would be a great travel bag, overnight bag, a lot of techniques, and we only have a few spots left. I'm gonna give you a warning right now. You better get on the stick if you really want to get the Serger class at Expo. Here's the other one. This one too is pretty close to being sold out. This is a little bit simpler than this one. They're all beginner classes, but keep in mind this one's a little bit simpler. It's a little bit smaller. It is a travel portfolio with pockets, and then you can put the pencil pouch in there and change it out for classes, use it as a makeup bag. Heck, you might even be able to give this to a teenager and they'd actually use it. So 2 Serger classes almost sold out. You better get on the ball because these classes, when they're gone, they're gone. Come in, we have the catalog, we have the actual projects. Love to show them through you. We can sign you up in the store. Come in because Expo classes, they're going fast.